Wow, this is crazy.
I know how to put yours in
It's
slow
getting
mo.
closer.
Wow.
You
Yeah.
see
I know
it?
how to put it in slow mo.
Oh man.
Here, dude.
I used to do it on this phone. I usually work on
Wow. That's crazy.
where is it? Where is it? Right here.
This reminds me of that movie War of the World when the lightning was striking like this.
Hold on.
Push it until you get up there where you're looking at it. Okay, because it only takes a frame.
I don't know. It was right here. It's usually sitting right there where that thing is.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Hold on.
I just know that phone is electric for sure.
Jeez.
That's the most frequent electricity I've ever seen.
I've never seen it like this either, John T.
Papa, here, I'm going to put you on record, okay?
Duke's dad and my dad both. Huh?
Yeah. That's crazy.
Oh, really?
Wow, look at that. The lightning strikes.
Is that lightning? Is there any thunder?
Usually you gotta wait, you know. Between strikes.
You can hear the thunder in the background.
Beautiful.
It really is.
We always wanted to do that through the trees where the canopy is right there. And have the canopy underneath that. That would have been cool.
The other side.
It's just nuts. Never seen so many strikes in my life.
No, me neither. Not far, man. That's
We're
like
seeing
1 minute
something.
I bet you there's 100.
We're seeing something that we've never experienced before, John T.
Wait, right now, you've never saw this?
Not like this. This is nuts. Never seen this many strikes at one time. Waiting to hear the foams go off, John T. Wow, this is crazy. All right.